National Tsing Hua University is Taiwan's leading comprehensive research university, internationally renowned for its academic achievements. In pace with technological advancements, the school actively adopts new tools to optimize teaching and learning experiences. Classroom 901, located in the College of Technology Management building, was in need of an upgrade to fulfill different teaching methods for undergraduate, graduate, and executive MBA courses, as well as group assignments and online learning requirements. AUO Display Plus has more than 20 years of professional experience in industrial and commercial display applications. To further innovations for smart education, we integrate displays with smart technologies, tailoring smart classroom solutions for teachers and students. The AUO Lecture Hall installation includes a centrally located 135-inch LED display, two 86-inch interactive flat panel displays, a 55-inch display that serves as a teleprompter, an audio and video rack, a digital podium, and cameras around the room. All the devices, together with the lights, were integrated by the control system and centrally controlled through a tablet PC. To facilitate operations and make it more user-friendly, common application modes were designed into buttons that automatically sets up the environment through a single touch. The 135-inch LED display can be used to present contents, ensuring perfect visibility from all corners, while the teleprompter can be used to keep track of key points. The interactive flat panel displays on the side can be used for notes during lectures or discussions, increasing classroom interactions. The integrated recorder can be used to capture teaching contents, displayed contents, and camera footages, and live stream or save these contents in cloud storage, giving absent or remote students more options for learning. By supporting video conferencing, remote participants can be seen on the displays for better interactions, while cameras with auto-tracking capabilities can follow and capture the teacher's every move, making borderless cross-campus distance teaching easier than ever.
这间教室呢，原本叫做901教室哦，那我们改成这个智慧型教室以后呢，称之为友达讲堂。这个智慧型教室呢，据我所观察，在疫情之下表现得更是非常的优秀。我们跟国外其他学校的互动，那或者我们自己专班有些同学是在海外，那这些上课都需要利用这个远距的方式。那我们可以利用这样的一个方案，让同学跟老师在线上互动，无论是在软硬体我们都有非常美好的使用经验。
AUO Display Plus Smart Classroom Solution transcends time and space, enhances interactivity and learning from anywhere, and creates a borderless, innovative education model for higher education.